Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now this case is made by Nilken. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Nilken for Google Pixel 9 Pro XL case with slide camera cover. All right, so lens protector, thin, slim fit. And as you can see, it's got this, it looks like carbon fiber, but it's not. It's got those a pattern in the back that looks like that. There's some other pictures there of the case, and $6.99 on Prime is a 10% coupon, and you got different colors there. You can get it in a green, you can get it in a blue as well. All right, but I got the black one. Okay, now I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get this. Okay, now here's the box. Nilken usually has theirs in this little like slip tight box right here, and you pull it out like that. Not much else in the box right there. We'll put that to the side. Here's the case, all right? So it's got a pattern on the back, you can see that. And you got some pattern on the side as well. Got that right there, you got a lanyard opening. Opening for your volume rocker and your power button, and this kind of open around the sides there. You got the mic hole opening right there. And you got your mic at the bottom, charging port, and your speaker opening right there. On this side, you have a little bit of branding and the pattern on the back, all right? Now, this is the camera area right here. And as you can see, this does slide down to protect the camera, and it's raised up as well if you got it open. So that's pretty cool. And it does lock into place. So you just kind of push down on it and it slides out, all right? But it's protected very well. And the back is, it's got some pattern around the edges in the back. So you might feel that, but it's fairly thin. We'll see how it looks on the front when we put the phone inside, but I think it's going to have the raised bezels as well. But let's go ahead and put the phone on and see how it looks. Okay, we got the Pixel 9 Pro XL right here. We're going to put it inside the case. All right, so it's got a nice tight fit, and it's slim. And you got that grip on the side, so that's going to be helpful. Now you got this area here is kind of big, and it can close up. You can see that right there. You can slide it up. Now, when you slide it up, you got to push it a little hard to get it into place because it locks in place. So you might not be able to do that with one finger, and you might not be able to move it with one finger either. I think you might have to push down on it with your thumb, but it does cover it up. All right, so it's well protected back there. And the front lip has a little bit of lip right there. Nilken, they normally don't put a big lip on the front, but so you might have to be careful with this in the front right here. But this is a thin case. You can see everything lined up on the bottom, all your ports and your mic opening right there. Same thing for the top as well, right? And you got a little bit of detail around the corners there. I think there's some padding there. So yeah, so it's raised up. You see that right there on the corner. So good protection, except, you know, this front is a little bit suspect, but it feels good in the hand, and it's nice and slim, all right? And we're gonna check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, here's the wireless charger. We're gonna lay it down and see what happens when we do that. Okay, so the phone did pick up wireless charge when we laid it down. Let's stand it up and see what happens. So it picked up wireless charge there as well. Now we're gonna lay it on the side and see what happens when we do that. So wireless charge works there as well, all right? Okay, so that was a quick look at the Nilken case with slide camera cover for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, all right? It's a nice case, it's nice and slim, but it offers some protection. The front might be a little suspect, but other than that, pretty good, not too bulky, and you got good grip, all right? Now, I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get this, all right? Now, if you have any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.